everyone, welcome back to Stuttering Tech. I am Drew, and in this video I'm going to unbox the SYNCO Lav S6M. This is a lavalier mic, but before I get started, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave your comments down below. Oh yeah, and don't forget to hit that bell notification icon. But yes, so this lav mic, believe it or not, has real-time audio monitoring. Yes, it lets you monitor. It even has an on-off switch and a rechargeable battery. It comes in the box. You have the lavalier mic, you have the clip, you have two windscreens, you have a 3.5 to 6.3 millimeter adapter, so you could plug this directly into, let's say, a preamp mixer or whatever, which I will be testing this out with my Behringer Tube Ultra Gain mic MIC 500. Yes, it also comes with a USB charger, and I'm assuming it's going to be a micro USB, and it comes with a leather pouch. I don't know how good that pouch is going to be. Okay, and you see the battery is a 500 milliamp an hour. It's a condenser, omnidirectional. Of course, you would know that. That's what you get when you get a lavalier mic. Yeah, so I'm by no way or shape or form a audio person. Like, I'm not that good at audio. I don't usually even edit my audio besides just removing some noise or whatever. So here we have, let me see, right out of the box we have, okay, we have yeah, so there's two adapters in here. Yes, there's a TRS to TRRS. So this will be for your smartphone. Put it to the side. And that's the charger. And the clip is in here as well. So here we go. We know what's in that pouch, and here we have the user manual. So my camera that I'm using though doesn't have a audio jack for external mics or anything like that. So I'm using the Sony A6000. Put this off to the side. Yes, so I'm using the Sony A6000 that doesn't have a mic input, so I actually record directly into my computer. So that's how I usually record. And I mean, I had a lavalier mic when I first started, so this is great for someone who's just starting out and don't have a mic. I'll list the price for this down in the description. I believe I spend $25 for this. But there will be a link down in the description. As always, man, this is solid. Wow. This is, wow, it's a metal construction. Wow, for $25, I was not expecting this. And then here you have your micro USB charging cable, your on-off switch, your monitoring for your headphones right here. And I guess this is an indicator light, and you clip this, but this has some weight to this. There's some weight to it. It's metal. I mean, I think the back here is, I don't know if it's metal or plastic, but I know this part is metal. Wow. Was not expecting that at all. Okay. Was not expecting that. Okay. So here we have our, the extra pop filters in there, and this cheap leather pouch. Put this off to the side. All right, so this is the main guy right here. The main guy. Yes, the cord in this it's almost 20 feet according to the description on Amazon. It says it's 19.75. Yeah, 19.75 feet. It's a very long cable, which is good because I picked this up because I wanted another source of audio. I didn't want to I didn't want to always be using my condenser mic or my dynamic mic. Sometimes I want to be in a different location in the room, places where these mics can reach. So I decided to just pick one up to test them. And I mean, if you're a person that's starting a channel and you don't have the budget, like I don't, I'm working on a zero boom budget. I don't know how many items I want to get to review, but I'm just I'm starting off. But you got to start somewhere, right? So I just picked this up and it's a good way for me to test it, to get something to review as well. To be honest with you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna get this all set up. Let me see if it have any juice in here. Oh yes, it has some juice. So I'm gonna get this thing set up and running. I will the audio from here will not be processed. No editing. It'll be straight. I will be plugging it into my tube ultra gain, and I will also be using it with the smartphone just to see the difference and how it works. But I'll see you guys. I'll be back when when I have everything set up and running. Okay, everyone. So now I'm back, and the sound you're hearing is coming from the lav mic right now, and I'm monitoring, and it actually is not loud or anything like that. It sounds like the normal voice, like when you talk or you normally hear yourself back. And being that it's omnidirectional, you can hear a pin drop in this room. Like anything drop, you would hear it like you usually would, like if you don't even have headphones on. Now I said I was going to put it into my tube ultra gain that I have here on the desk. Now, like I said before, I'm not an audio guy, so I can't find the original one that came with it. I was testing it, the 6.3 millimeter. I don't know where it is actually right now. Sorry, itchy eyes. Got dry eyes. Yes, but I couldn't. But this is one of them that I already had around the house. But yes, you cannot use this with a preamp mixer. I guess because it's not shielded, you get a lot of feedback. Now, understanding on that, but now when I'm using it with my Windows machine, for some reason, there's also feedback. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I'm using the onboard mic, the uncased mic, yeah, mic jack, but I'm using it with the MacBook Pro, and it seems to be working just fine on that. So there's no feedback. Now I am recording this using OBS, and I have it. The only thing I have on is a limiter, because I noticed that the mic it's loud and it picks up it picks up the voice, it picks up everything loud, so it starts to peak. So the only thing I have on right now is a limiter. Besides that, there's no other post processing that will be done. There is no compression or anything. I might boost the volume if it's too low, but that's it. Nothing else will be added to this. So I just want to get out of the way. Now this one here, I don't know how well you can see this one. Maybe it's out of focus. I do have a manual focus on, but this one here is so basically they're saying the one like that came with it like this, the 6.3. This is for camcorders. So sometimes it is important to read the manual. And this one is to use with your camera, because this is a TRS. Yeah, and the one that comes like this one also is a TRS, but the one that comes with it is a TS. So it's not the same thing. So this is a TRS for your cameras, and of course I have it right here. I have the headphone in right here. I don't know how well you can see this because I have it on a manual full focus, but this is the headphone jack, the charging, as I mentioned before, and the on switch. And like I said before, I love the construction of it. It's metal. It's like all metal. construction built. Love it. Now I want to go into the pros and cons of this. Now I'm not really sure. So for me, I think the first con would be the noise level. But then again, what are you asking for when you are when you're spending $25 on a lav mic? They do say you pay for what you get, but I think this is a great starter mic. Not just is a great starter, especially like me on a low. I don't have a budget. My budget is basically zero at this point, because right now with everything in the country, and I'm not able to work. So I don't know how much videos I'll be able to do, but it is what it is at this point. So I don't think I have much cons for this. I don't think I have much cons. Other than that, I can't think of any other cons other than the noise. But that's from what I'm hearing right now. On the computer, or my phone, is a lot of noise. But when I did play it back, when I did a test video on the MacBook Pro, it wasn't manageable. With some processing, you can bring the noise down. So that's a good, which I already do, except for when I'm recording with this mic right here. I don't get that much noise. Sometimes I don't even have to do anything noise wise with this, or with my dynamic mic. This is a condenser microphone. Yes. So yes, and this one is the AT2020, and this one is the Behringer XM 8500. So I don't really get noise. I don't have to really do any kind of noise. The only thing I think I apply with those is maybe a gate. But yes. So now for the pros, like I said, all metal construction, rechargeable battery. Since I took this out of the box, I haven't charged it, and I've been using it all day. I don't know how, So no, yeah, so I do think of a con is that it should show the battery level. But of course, what can you ask for again with the price point that this putting out here, that this thing is at? So again, great option. Especially, it has very, very good reviews. Believe it has 4.3 out of 5 on Amazon. So not bad mic. You tell me how it sounds. I mean, in my experience, it sounds like I'm too far away compared to the other cheap ones I've bought, cheaper ones than this one that actually work great on my computer. And I think the reason why is because this doesn't allow you to record with the audio being with the power off. They do have another model to this one. I forgot the model, the name of the model, but they have a different version of this one that can be used with power without. So it has an option for when you have this into a camera or a camcorder. You can it supplies the power, and then when you're using it with a smartphone or a computer, you can turn it off. Well, this actually works with the smartphone, surprisingly, with the power on. I did have some other one thing, was called Bonia. I forgot the name of it. But with that one, when the power was on, it wouldn't record at all. But when the power was off, it did. So I think it has to do with that, with the power part on the Windows side. It doesn't. I don't think it causes interference. But on the Mac, it seems to work pretty fine. So as you can hear right now, the only thing I don't like is that it sounds like I'm far away compared to cheaper ones that I've bought for $18 that sounds like you're right up on the mic. But it's a great option. Like I said, with some post processing, it can be very, very well. I mean, I think on the Mac side, I think it actually does a pretty good job of making me not sound that far away compared to when I record on my phone. But like I said, I will leave the links to this if you like it down in the description. And And that's basically it for this video. Please like, share, subscribe, leave your comments down below, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And this is Stuttering Tech. I'm Drew, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.